I'm Lee, welcome back to BD Performance. As some of you may have seen this weekend, Darren's been suffering with a bad eye, so instead I'm in front of the camera and Darren's behind the camera. Going to be doing a bit of an update on the VAG, on the beast as we say. So I'll cut straight into the intro and then we'll leave it at that.
Hi, my name's Darren and this is BD Performance. I think I've lost some weight, to be honest, if I'm perfectly being truthful with you. What do you reckon? Side profile, I'll just show you side profile now, hang on. And so on and so forth. Yep, I definitely lost weight. I think I look good, my eye looks good as well. Look at that, sexy. So yeah, we're just doing a bit of an introduction into the latest video. And today we're going to give you a workshop update alongside a polo update. That's the 𝗂𝘂𝗿𝘁𝗀𝘁 polo that we're going to give the profit from the sale of to one of you guys. So for now, if you haven't already, then please like, subscribe and hit that bell icon. And to be quite honest with you, I think I look a lot like Lee, so I look like an absolute whopper. But anyway, we'll leave it at that and we'll get into some action. Get me home! Bennett, I don't think this was that worthy an investment. I think this was why it's 250 quid. Oh, good God. I don't know what you want me to do with people. Fucking hell. People are getting well pissy with me here.
So what's wrong with the car then, Daz?
The defibrillator pump is disconnected from the frying pan. I don't know, mate. It's running on 1 out of 3 cylinders, I think. Yeah, boy. Oh, here we go. It's the kangaroo gang. Woo! We've got some speed up, mate. It's gone like Donkey Kong. I think it's just missing on a plug or something. I think it's missing a plug. I think it might be in an engine. Yeah!
What?
Woo! Let's not slow down. Oh man, it's limiting me power again. Bennett, can I have a lift tomorrow morning? You know this lift sharing we were doing? Can I have a lift tomorrow?
I'm not in tomorrow, mate. What's the key log?
Not very good. Fucking queue on the dual carriageway was much better. I don't think we're going to make it up this hill. I'm just going to wave them past so that we can have a run at this. This is not looking good. Just getting us there, what? Way! God, baby! Oh, mate, it's not looking healthy. It feels like I'm winding myself up a hill on a starter motor. Gonna turn it off and hope for the best. Subscribe if this for nothing else. I might have to get a taxi home. Ta-ra for now.
Go on, Daz.
Hi guys, and welcome back. Didn't get a chance to do that video this morning of DM giveaways winner Richard collecting the vehicle after we'd done the block mod, but what we did do for him was replace the boost control solenoid, which since the day he'd owned the vehicle he'd never actually had full boost. He'd only ever had quarter boost. So he actually spoke to us about getting a remap. When we tested it after we'd done the block mod, we were like, hey, how come this car only boosted quarter? Anyway, apparently since day one it'd just been boosting to quarter, so we've solved that problem with a replacement solenoid, and then we still remapped it, so he's going to have an absolutely banging drive home, that's for sure. Now if you're wondering why I'm wearing these sunglasses that don't fit me properly, it's because I've borrowed them from Cal, because at the moment I've got the worst swollen eye ever going, and I'm waiting to see the doctors again. Hopefully it'll be fixed, but this is the disgustingness of how it looks at the minute. Oh, thanks for the close-up, mate. Anyway, that'll do. So yeah, just thought I'd give you a bit of an update really, because I've completely ruined this DM giveaways video by not including them in it, but this morning I just did not feel like it at all, just purely because my eye was hurting so much. So I thought I'd give you a bit of an update instead. What we've been doing this week is actually finally completing the floor. So as you can see behind me, you can see Al walking with his cup. But other than that,
what's wrong with your eye?
I don't know, mate. I have no idea. So we've painted the floor thanks to courtesy of Wreck-It Ralph or Ken. We've moved the tyre machines, if you want to come around early. We've moved the tyre machines into the corner there, and we've put the speedy lift in there as well. So that's all sorted. All the floors looking fairly uniform now. We've moved a few of the odds and sods around in the workshop, so hopefully it looks a bit better in the videos. Let us know what you think in the comments down below. This is going to be a short one. I'm really sorry about that. We've painted the sales room as well. I'm not going to show you that at the minute because it's fairly pointless. It looks grey like this does. Anyway, successful week in terms of looks of BD overall. We'll hopefully have this done and dusted by the end of the week and be able to get back to some proper work. But in the meantime, if you haven't already, then please subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon to stay notified. Comment down below if you like Alan's belch in the background, or if you've got something else that you want to see. I'm sorry, one of the comments on the video said that we didn't give them enough information, so if there's anything specific that you want to know, then let us know. Again, in the comments down below, see those videos for those competitions, including the 2,000 subscriber one, which we're so close to now in terms of giving away that kit. If you haven't as well, then go to the Mirror Image Car Care website and their socials, give them a like, have a look on their website, see what they offer. Thanks again to Nick for giving us that kit to give away to one of you when we reach 2,000 subs. And for now, that's it guys. Hopefully you enjoy this video. Stay tuned for some more content. Promise you it'll be better next week when I hopefully feel a bit better. See if this medicine works first and whatever else. In the meantime, thanks a lot and we'll see you soon.